Tommy, I had an investment idea. Let me get your thoughts on it. I'm looking to buy a YouTube channel in a specific niche that airs the what? That ALR has a fan base and monthly revenue, then find someone in that can operate and make content on the channel while I collect a percentage of the profit monthly. It's it's easier said than done. Of course, yeah, it is easier said than done. The answer is it depends, right, on the niche. So if I sold you my YouTube channel, it would make sense because people come here for me, right? I don't mean to be selfish or anything like that, but like there are so many channels out there on YouTube talking about finance, but you come here because maybe the way I teach, maybe my stories make you relate to me, maybe my direct communication makes you relate to me. That's why you come here, right? So if you have, for example, like a brand new person, you're like, I don't know this person, right? So who's this guy? You gotta earn the trust all over again. But if it's a channel where basically you don't show your face, that's fine. But just make sure it makes sense and it's a good investment. So make sure you're following the rules, right? So don't pay a bunch of money for this thing when you have a bunch of debt, you have an emergency fund, you're not investing, you're not saving for a home. Do the correct steps first. And if you want to buy the channel, if I invest $1,000 into it and it pays me $230, just make sure that I know what I'm doing. When you hire someone to do something, make sure they also know what they're gonna do, right? Because it's not that simple. YouTube is tough, man. One of my favorite channels I'm so jealous of is I think it's called Lo-Fi Girl or Lo-Fi Cow, something like that. But it's like a channel where it's all about music. It's like music, and it's just like uploading channel like videos like that. You know, it's very easy to manage that channel, but still takes work. So make sure you know what you're getting into.
You've got to stop.